Hi guys, I'm doing a video, Dad, you should be quiet. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Dad is being annoying today, so if you guys know the daddy actually, I said,
Dad is being annoying?
No. Guys, and Daddy ate 2 donuts in one, like a pumpkin donut and a Boston cream donut from Dunkin' Donuts. So if you haven't won Dunkin' Donuts, if your dad did that and ever did, it's like trying to get so the challenge now.
Double layered. They can't penetrate that, right? 2 layers?
No. You just stay away. There's no beads around there. We were there. He touched all the bushes. He went with his hand.
Oh, back
Nothing
there
more.
too?
Yeah. Wow, look at her cutting. You can cut? You want me to help you?
I think I got it. No, put it up. The thing up. Never seen this one.
Let me get my Let me open it. Let me open it here.
So guys, if you haven't know, this is JoJo. If you haven't watched
Oh
it.
yeah. Shoot it like this. Alright, so do you recommend JoJo's back to school supplies? Alright, so what do you have to say?
Thank you for watching. Give thumbs up. If you haven't got these stuff, or
Where did you buy this stuff?
I think I bought this stuff at Walmart.
Five Below, Esther. Where did you buy this stuff?
We actually bought it at Five Below, and then we got more toys, like whatever. And it was a phone, Wine's Toys Review phone, and
What are you gonna draw?
a Pick Me Pop.
What are you gonna draw here now?
I'm gonna draw a big ice cream and a donut.
I think
And
this
then-
set is good for when you take a road trip. It's good to have it in the car, so your child has something to do. And
And
this as well.
And this is what's this is a Nickelodeon. Owned at Nickelodeon.
What? All right, say bye.
Bye. Guys, do you see me in the eye? Bye. Give some thumbs up and subscribe. Can I do the thing?
Yeah.
Bye.
Don't hit it.
Bye.
Close it. You gotta close it. Cover it. No, leave your hand there. That's it. Good.